Oh bummer, how many times has this happened to you? Spilling some beverage all over your keyboard. So when it dries, the keys remain sticky and funky and making all funny noises when you press them. Some will try to open the keyboard to clean it properly, but the problem is that some have screws hidden under a decorative mess, so when you put it back it is never going to be the same. Well, there is a seemingly radical solution to this problem, but it's perfectly safe if you do it properly. First, remove the batteries. Second, turn the keyboard face down to drain out all the remaining liquid. Put it in the sink and rinse it thoroughly with a good old-fashioned wishy-washy water.
Seriously, it won't do any harm if you take down the batteries.
Fourth, if your tap water is hard, it will leave water stains that affect contacts and can induce corrosion. Thus you can rinse it thoroughly with a pure distilled water. Don't use detersives because they might also induce corrosion. Fifth, drain out all the water from the keyboard and leave it overnight on a dry and warm place. Warning! Don't even think about putting batteries inside before it's completely dry, or you will screw it up. Finally, put the batteries back and enjoy the keyboard. No more yucky stuff, no more funny sounds.